how did you bring Rote into your workflow and teach us and the audience how they should effectively use Rote?
So how Rote became a thing in my life was initially I was in an AI workshop from Bill Kennedy from Narda Labs, and he mentioned Rote.
Yeah.
So he mentioned, oh, there's a guy that's creating a new tool that's going to make deterministic executions inside AI agents. I was like, that's cool. But deterministic as in a chatbot? No, deterministic as in flows. I was like, okay, I'll need to reach out to him and see how that works. So when I met Chitin, and he explained to me how it works, it's basically it made a light bulb in my head. Just, how can I say that in English? It just lighted up. I can probably have discoverability tools, get the agents doing the discoverability of something, maybe getting a Datadog, going inside and logs for me, or going inside a system to try to find something for me. And something that I always need to repeat can just be etched in a way inside a document. It's going to be repeatable, because a lot of my work as a leader or as a developer sometimes is doing the same thing. You're always going to be probably getting there to the same result. In a way, we're always creating, how can I say, you get data from somewhere, you transform that data, you save it, and you return it back. And that's deterministic. In the same way, I'm always going to the same places in Datadog to try to find something for me, and it needs to get there. Agents doesn't know how to get there because they'll try to discover in a way. And you're probably going to be like, why not use skills? Skills consume tokens. And it's, as I mentioned before, is a generative way. So it's never going to be trying to go to the same path. It's always going to it's going to move a little bit different. And that's not something that I'm paying for, because you're paying for tokens in a way. So Rote became a thing in my life when I just given, as I said before, I use Rote to basically get to a problem within our database system, within Datadog. I was like, I have no idea how to get why our connections are dropping for our internal tool. And I use Rote to get there, and just in the end they said, do you want this flow to be crystallized, or are you always going to be using the same flow again? I'm like, probably yes. So I like record it, and next time we had something similar, I was like, let me try. I didn't even think about Rote. I was talking with the agent, and just like, oh, you already have something within Rote that is already done for you. Do you want to try that? I was like, for sure. It gave him the answer. So I didn't consume in tokens. It just became like executable in a way, part of my flow.